we gonna do, braid your scalp?
Ladies, listen.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's hair is sponsored by Lockbraids. I'm so excited about this hair, so let's get into it. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's hair is sponsored by Lockbraids. Okay, we got some wigs from them, some Boho braided wigs. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. So we have two wigs in two different colors. One of them is color 27. It's 18 inches. It's the Boho knotless braids. And this one's the same one. It's just in the color 30. And they gave me a total of 2 scarves. This is so cute. And we got a wig cap, okay? 2 pieces. I'm gonna switch this out and I'm gonna come back. As you can see, this is a super quick, easy install, okay? The hair is 100% human hair. You can do so much with this. And if you're having a bad hair day, then this is definitely for you. Y'all, this looks so good. It's just a put on and go. And the scarves are so cute. Like, genius. I'm loving this. Like, this is so perfect for the fall, okay? So we're gonna move to the next color. I absolutely love the colors. The colors complement my skin complexion so well. And I just love how quick it is. Like, this is my go-to. When I have to get up and take my boys to school, this is what I put on. Because, honey, who wants to go to sleep with a wig on? Not me. Not me. I'm going to sleep without my wig, and when I get up and it's time for me to take my boys to school, this is what I'm throwing on. Okay, this is what I'm throwing on. This is beautiful, beautiful. All the details will be down in the description box below, so make your purchase today to Slay with Jay. Okay, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for all post notifications, so every time that I post a video, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.